Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing or attempting to recreate this idea that I got from, I'm not sure how to pronounce her name. It's Kheumani Stevenson or Kheumani Stevenson. I'm gonna link the video in the description down below if you wanna check that out. But I'm gonna be attempting to turn this t-shirt I got from Walmart for, I think it was like $4 something. It's like $5, like $4.90 something, $4.70 something, not too sure. I'm gonna be trying to turn this into a dress. The idea I have in mind is like a bodycon, like mini dress, not too short. And I'm gonna put I'm gonna try and braided straps and probably like a crisscross thing in the back, like an X in the back or something. But I'm gonna do braided straps. You're gonna see what it looks like, but that's the idea I have in mind. So hopefully it turns out. If I actually post a video, then obviously it turned out how I wanted it to. If not, then there's no video. But yeah, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos. And yeah, let's get started. Oh, first of all though, I got the t-shirt in a size extra large. The Walmart I went to, they had different colors. They had like orange and stuff, but I wanted this color. And then I wanted like a 2XL. They didn't have that. It went from like small, medium, extra large, and then 4XL. And I'm not saying like I couldn't have got the 4XL, but I don't know. So I got an extra large. Hopefully it fits. And yeah, so I'm gonna try it on just to show you what it looks like before, you know, like the before products. And yeah, so okay, so this is what the shirt looks like on me. And this is where it reaches here. Keep in mind the dress is not gonna be this short, since I'm gonna be like starting right at the top here, so it's gonna be a bit longer on me, like probably here. So yeah, just keep that in mind. It's not gonna be this short on, but yeah. So what you're gonna need is like needle and thread if you're gonna sew with your hand or like a sewing machine. Scissors, I'm using my hair shears because I couldn't find others, so I'm gonna have to buy another one of these. And a dress. This is one of the dresses from my Forever 21 haul. If you want to look at that, it's there on my channel. So I'm just gonna use a dress that's similar to the idea I have in mind. With this dress though, it's longer than the t-shirt, but I don't want the dress I'm making from this to be as long as the t-shirt. So as long as the dress, so yeah. But yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna lay everything out and then we'll get started. What I did was just lay the t-shirt out on the floor or wherever. Then I'm gonna lay the dress on top of it. Oh, by the way, you should leave like a half inch or so of excess around the t-shirt, so that you can, when you're sewing, it's not too tight. So yeah. I'm gonna do the strap separate, so just fold these in and just cut around. Okay, so this is what I have right now. I just removed this. So this is what the dress looks like so far. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn what I should have done though. What you should do is put the t-shirt like on the opposite, the wrong side, inside out, then cut it and do that. So yeah, so turn the pieces inside out and then sew it. If you did not, well, I'm telling you now, just turn the t-shirt inside out in advance so you wouldn't have to flip the sides when you're about to sew. To do the straps, since I said I'm gonna do what you call it, I'm gonna do the braided straps. I'm just gonna cut some pieces of fabric like a half inch to an inch thick. And you want to do like 6 pieces since it's 2 straps. You want to do 6 pieces and so like 3 for each side since I'm gonna braid it. And what you want to do is just stretch it like this so that it curls in itself, and then do this 6 times and then you're gonna braid it. So I'm gonna show you if you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so all I did was cut the 6 pieces for 3 on each side to make the braid, and I stretched them so that they'll curl in themselves, I guess. Then I tied a knot. Okay, so when you're done, this is what it should look like. And just make sure it's long enough to go over and join onto the dress like this. So the ends right here, and when you reach this part, you're gonna want to fold this a little bit in to get like a clean sew part thing at the top. So yeah, I'm gonna sew it and I'll be back. Okay, so like 2 hours later, I know I was having some problems, so I didn't show how I sewed everything. But what I did, I just folded like ½ inch or so in, and I sewed along this line, like the entire thing. Then I added the straps on the inside, so like this, and yeah, that was it. So this is what a dress looks like on. These are what the straps look like, and yeah, so this is it. So yeah, if I had a choice, what I would have done differently, I would have gotten like the 4XL shirt. Curtain too short. I mean, I don't mind it though, but I would have rather if it was longer. And yeah, I didn't do the X at the back anymore because I forgot. So I just did like regular spaghetti straps, and yeah. So if you enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know like what other videos you want to see. Go check out my other videos. I'm probably gonna do some more of these because I enjoy doing this though. I'm not the best like seamstress, but I tried. So yeah, so I'm gonna do more soon. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and